Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I have a quick unboxing for the Fabulous Planner box. This is the standard box called the Classic box, not the more expensive box. I'll put links down below. Anyway, the box is incredibly small. You can see the size of my hand. I don't know why I always do this. I get these boxes and I'm always disappointed, because the decent ones are expensive. So anyway, this has what's in the box. And it is one shoe paper clip, one set of die cuts, one lipstick pen, one nail polish highlighter, washi tape, 2 sheets of stickers, one mini nail file. So there's a huge difference between the luxury box, which I'll give you the prices and everything. I'll insert them into this video, and the classic box. There's a big difference. But anyway, I wanted this because it's about beauty, and so I figured, okay, good. So let's take a look. And I didn't want to spend the $29. It would have cost to get I think it was $29 to get the full size. Okay, so that's very nicely wrapped in tissue. Oh my gosh. This is the washi, and it looks like cologne bottles. That's actually pretty cute. This is a highlighter. This is kind of cute. Let me just take these things out. This is a pen, I guess. I'll have to figure out how that works. I'm not sure. Let's see. Lipstick pen, yeah. The die cuts, which are all like pretty little stuff, and I'll open that. And the shoe paper clip and the little nail file. And here are the stickers. Okay, now hold on while I unpackage everything and lay it out. It was quite a struggle trying to get this pen open, I guess because it had never been opened. But anyway, there are, for $18, which I think is what this cost me, I'm actually going to cancel because I'm not all that enthralled by this. There are some pretty nice stickers. I like these a lot. The ones with the vanity, and kind of like all the others, but it's only 2 sheets of stickers, and it's not like there's no days or anything. That I guess you have to spend the big bucks to get the days of the week and all that. I was waiting to do my November based on what was going to be in this box, and it looks like I don't have enough stuff to actually do November. Or even calendar-wise it. So anyway, here's the lipstick pen. And this part comes off. I had a devil of a time figuring that out. Let's see. Yeah, it just feels like a regular ballpoint. And that just snaps on. This is the highlighter. And the cap pops off and you have a pink highlighter. It's not very tight, so I'm thinking that this is going to probably be dried out pretty quickly. And then of course there is the paper clip and the nail file. That is cute, but not revolutionary. The washi tape is cologne bottles. I would have preferred something a little bit more like vanity themed, beauty themed, like lipsticks and stuff, but it's all cologne bottles. So then the die cuts are actually pretty nice, but certainly not worth the money. This is unfortunate because, you know, I spent this money and I'm glad I didn't cancel my other subscriptions. Anyway, this is really cute. Little jewelry box. Let me zoom in so I can just show you guys what's there. There are a lot of die cuts. So, they're not very heavy paper. They're actually like really thin cardstock. I guess I expected more. Excuse me. You know, I would use these to make cards for my sisters-in-law. I have 2 sisters-in-law. But anyway, yeah, I'm just not that enthused about this. There's like, you know what, I'm going to lay these all out and then I'm going to go across. So I'm just going to go along the line here. These are purses and jewelry boxes for the most part, tote bags, and up here more die cuts, and down here I grouped them like more general theme. The light's bleaching them out a little bit, so yeah, they're a little bit brighter than they're appearing right now on video. So yeah, I'm just not thinking that this is worth it. It's cute, but it's not amazing. I was hoping to be amazed for my 18 bucks, or at least have if I had a couple more sheets of stickers, I would have considered keeping it. But yeah, I don't have enough to even do a month, so yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. This was the standard classic box, which I don't think is worth it. Honestly, don't think it's worth it at all. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and I will cancel this box if I haven't been charged already. Anyway, thanks and have a beautiful evening. Good night.